Make sure your default colors are selected. Press D for your stroke and your fill. You're going to find the pen tool. You can press P on the keyboard or you can click up here. The pen tool will allow you to draw straight lines if you click, let go, click, let go, click, let go. When you get to the beginning, it will make a circle, meaning it's closing off that path to be a shape. Now if you just click randomly like this, you can draw different straight lines. I'm going to swap my fill and my stroke, and you'll see the fill goes in there. What is happening as I draw a line, the fill is filling from the start point to the end point. I can click in different points, and it's always going to go from the start point to the end point. And I can close off that. With the pen tool, if I click and let go, then I press and drag. Notice how it creates curves. So pressing and dragging will create curves. One more thing to do is explore the curvature tool, which is underneath the pen tool. This one allows you to create curves by clicking in different points.